applied geometry. So today we are see the formula for area of the triangle, area of the quadrilateral, and then collinear. So what is triangle and triangle, quadrilateral, collinear? So they are given some formulas for area of the triangle. So area of the triangle means 1 by 2 into x1 y2 plus x3 y3 plus x3 y1 minus of x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3. Like this they are given the formula. So for this formula, another form is what? Area of the triangle, this is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 again x1 y1. Both are same, or in the examination point of view, area of the triangle means we have to write this formula and then apply the values, or we have to use this formula, right? So x1 y2, I put the this like arrow means x1 into y2 means x1 y2. We are getting x2 y3. x2 y3 means x2 into y3, same thing, x3 y1. So this side will over. Then minus, we have to put the minus and open the bracket, x2 y1, x3 y2, x1 y3. So same thing only. So for that reason they are saying this or this formula we have to use in the examination. So which one is easy for you? Use that formula in the examination, right? But we are using this formula in the exercise 5.1 because this formula will be very length. We need to memorize the formula. Without memorize how to write this formula means, listen. Just to open the bracket, x, y, x, y, x, y, minus of x, y, x, y, x, y. Like this you write, and then x1, 2, 3, y 1, 2, 3. I written the both sides 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 and then 2, 3, 1. See, next we are having 1. So I put y into 2, 3, 1. That is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. Here 1 we are having so 2, 3, 1. So first time I put in the x 1, 2, 3, in y 1, 2, 3. And then I fill in the here 1 means 2, 2 means 3, 3 means 1. Like that. Here y I written for 1, 1 means 2, 2 means 3, 3 means 1. So see here x1 y2 only, x1 y2, x2 y3, x2 y3, x3 y1. We are getting then x2 y1, x2 y1, x3 y2, x1 y3. The same formula we are getting. So without memorize, we can write the formula for the area of the triangle. So in given sum, they are asked to find the area of the triangle means we have to use this formula or this one. But here I can use this formula only. Easily we can find using this formula. So listen, area of the quadrilateral. So triangle means we are having the 3 points we are having because this is one triangle. This is A, B, C, x1, y1. x2, y2, x3, y3. So 3 points we are having. So we are using area of the triangle is 3 points. x1, x2, y3, y1, y2, y3. But in quadrilateral we are having 4 points we are having because the quadrilateral is like this. A, B, C, D. So here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. So up to x4 we are having. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. Again x1, y4, x1, y1. Right? So the same thing, x1 into y2, x3 into y3, x3 into y4, x4 into y1. So same thing. You write xy, 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 xy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1 means 2, 3, 4, 1. You write the formula easily and then minus of xy, 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 xy square units. Here I written x1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in y 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1 means 2, 3, 4, 1. You are getting the formula. This is the formula for area of the quadrilateral. Again I am saying, so which one is easy for you? Take that formula in the examination. Right? Take them. Listen, collinear. Collinear means the triangle will become 0. The area of the triangle will become 0. And also the examination point of view, the area of the triangle means 0. Suppose they are given collinear means. So, area of the triangle ABC is 0, then the 3 points lie on the same straight line. So, the points are, suppose this is point A, point B, point C. This will be lie on the same line. You are drawing the graph. We are getting some points. The lines will be in the same line. The points lie in the same line means that is called collinear. Same line means we can't form the triangle. We can't form the triangle means that is called collinear. In other words, we cannot find the triangle means that is called collinear. That is reason is what means the points are lie in the same line or the points are parallel. AB is parallel to point CD. This also cannot form the triangle. Triangle means one line like this, another line like this. In graph we are having means this line will be intersect to this here. This will be intersected here. We are getting one triangle. The 3 lines intersect with each other means we are getting the triangle. Without intersecting means we are having the parallel lines means we cannot get the triangle. So like that we are having means that is called collinear. So the examination point of view, triangle ABC equal to 0. So what is the formula for this? The same thing, triangle only. The same thing, 1 by 2 into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x1 y1. But here we are getting answer will become 0. Answer will become 0 means that is called collinear. In other words, we are saying these points didn't form the triangle, that is called collinear. So we are getting the answer 0 means that is called collinear. Take them.